The present government is not in a position to measure the correct quantum of black money, because those who have the black money will actually convert it into new currency notes. Now the sufferers are the aam aurats and the admis, those who are illiterate, who have no access to the banking facilities, and they will be the ones who will be affected by such diversionary measures. People who have small savings, no bank accounts, their life savings will be targeted. The present scheme does nothing to remove black money from circulation. All the black money holders will legally convert their tender with no difficulty, because they have the resources to hire people to sort the cash. The measure is strongly anti-poor. In India, 65% of the population do not have bank accounts, and they store their money in cash at homes. These people are largely illiterate, poor, older, and live in remote areas. They are the ones who are likely to fall victims to the middlemen, and who are going to further scare them that the notes are worthless piece of paper and charge hefty fees to convert them. And they could be shopkeepers who will actually after 1st of April be telling them that their notes are either unacceptable or acceptable at a large depreciation. Deliberately, no real effort has been made by the present government to retrieve the black money which is stashed outside the country. In fact, the practices which result in laundering are the ones which are not the target of the present scheme, and I call it a deliberate obfuscation.